Hello, and welcome to Using Clean to identify quality instructional resources for climate science and climate change. My name is Missy Holzer, and I'm a Clean ambassador, and I'm also a science standards specialist. I will be talking to you about Clean and how you can use it to teach about climate and energy while addressing three-dimensional teaching and learning. As you can see from this visual, Earth's climate system is very complex with many different components interacting with each other. Very few people have the in-depth knowledge to teach all the different parts of the system in detail, not even scientists. So how can we expect teachers to? CLE can help with this challenge in offering a curated collection of high-quality, classroom-ready resources. In 2007, a team of scientists and educators from several organizations developed the climate and energy literacy principles. These frameworks help break these complex topics into big ideas that underlie them. The CLEAN, or Climate Literacy and Energy Awareness Network, collection includes resources to teach each of these big ideas. The Next Generation Science Standards provides a framework for systems-oriented teaching strategies. CLEAN even gave input to NGSS framework on climate and energy. There are three pillars of CLEAN: the resource collection, teaching guidance, and the network. Here in this introduction, I'll be sharing a little bit about the CLEAN collection, whereas we meet in our active session, we'll learn about guidance for teaching climate and energy and about the CLEAN network. I also wanted to mention that the CLEAN provides the educational resources for the official NOAA governmental site for teaching about climate energy, climate.gov. So you will find the same information on the NOAA site as you will through the CLEAN portal. However, the NOAA site does not include the NGSS alignment. The CLEAN collection contains over 700 free, classroom-ready, scientist and educator-reviewed resources for grades 6 to 16. The collection includes learning activities, short videos, and different kinds of visualizations that are aligned with the climate and energy literacy frameworks, as well as NGSS. CLEAN does not develop the resources, but we work with developers or find them through internet searches and put them through a review process that includes teacher input. Why would we need a collection like this? We all have access to Google where with a search, you can find a million resources fast, but who has time to go through all those resources? And how can you tell if they're good quality? CLEAN helps with this problem because it allows teachers to easily search for resources that they know will be scientifically accurate and pedagogically sound. As I mentioned before, CLEAN is a pointer collection to resources developed by others. The CLEAN portal has a page like this for each resource where we can provide a summary and information about science and the pedagogy for the resource along with some teaching tips. This figure is busy, but don't worry about the details. It's here to show you the CLEAN review process, which I'll just describe. First, resources get vetted by the CLEAN staff, and then they undergo an initial review by a scientist and a teacher. If the resource is determined high quality and resources entered into the review panel with 4 educators and scientists. In the last step, it undergoes a final review by a scientist who has expertise in the topic. When the resource is being added to the collection, we also align with the literacy frameworks and NGSS. The main point is that at least 6 people, and usually more, have looked at each resource in the collection, so you can trust the quality. Teachers can search the collection in multiple ways, including by resource type, by topics, by grade level, many different ways. There are both open searches and tags that can be used for the search. The open search looks for text anywhere on the page, but the filters are tagged by humans so that these can help with searching by things like topics or standards. Many teachers find tags like the dataset use or regional focus especially useful. The dataset tag, for instance, allows teachers to find resources that have students using real scientific data. So there's an introduction to the CLEAN network. I'd encourage you to visit the website and play around a little bit, and then join me in my active session because you've only had a small taste of what the CLEAN network is all about. In this session, you'll learn more about the other 2 pillars and how to narrow your search to find perfect resources for your educational setting, as well as how to bundle the resources to teach particular topics. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in the active session.